Tired of your bank fees eating away at your travel budget or getting blocked when shopping on international sites? Then, let's ditch those problems and unlock a world of seamless online transactions by setting up your Wise digital card. First, open your Wise app and tap the Cards tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. If you don't already have a digital card, you'll see an option to create digital card. Tap on it to begin. Wise will then generate your digital card details, which will include a card number, expiry date, and CVV. Once generated, tap Activate Card. Wise prioritizes security, so you will be asked to set up two-factor authentication or verify your card usage using biometric security. This ensures that only you can access and use your digital card. Now let's look at some key options. You can freeze and unfreeze your card with a tap, change your spending limits, and even block certain types of transactions for enhanced control. When shopping online, simply copy and paste your Wise digital card details at checkout. Since Wise converts currencies at the real exchange rate, you'll often save money compared to using a traditional card. For added security, after making a purchase, you can delete the card because Wise allows you to create multiple digital cards for different purposes. And that's it. You're now ready to shop online securely and globally with your Wise digital card. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more money-saving tips.